Okay, that's lovely. Okay, folks. Right, let's carry on with the next question. Question number 18. Solve the simultaneous equation. Feel like keep an eye on the video, please, yeah? 4x plus 7y equals 1. 3x plus 10y equals 15. Okay, now, when we do these questions, we're going to use the elimination technique. Okay, we're going to eliminate either the x or the y. We look at the values. 4 and the 3 are the x coefficients, and 7 and the 10. Right, we're going to decide to remove to eliminate or to the x coefficients. Okay, how do we eliminate the x coefficients here? We need to make the coefficients either opposite or equal. So if we got 4 and 3, how do we make 4 and 3 equal? We multiply the 4 by the 3 and the 3 by the 4. Excellent. By the way, we're not just multiplying the x, we're multiplying everything, yes? Yeah. On that line. So 3 times by 4x will give us an answer of
12x.
Okay, and 3 times by plus 7y is
21y.
And 3 times by 1 is 3. 4 times by 3x is
12x.
4 times by plus 10y is
40y.
And 4 times by 15 is
60.
60. Okay, so this is what we're going to be working on now. Okay, Rutaba, are you with me so far?
Yeah.
So we're looking at these coefficients of x here, and now that they are equal, we are much more happy. We can eliminate them by minusing them, by subtraction. Okay. As we said before in the previous videos when we're doing simultaneous equations, when we are taking away simultaneous equation, we don't have to always go down, we can also go up. But if you go up, you must go up in everything. You can't go up and down. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do 12x minus 12x, that gives us 0x, nothing. Gone, finished. We have plus 40y minus 21y, that will give us?
Minus
19.
Not minus.
19y.
19y. The whole point of going up is that we wouldn't get a minus answer. No, it's 40, that's going up plus.
Oh, you know.
Going up. 40y, take away 21y gives you 19y.
Okay.
Next is 60, take away 3, we're going up.
57.
57. Okay, now.
read the answers through.
Okay, now. Remember we're doing videos, we've got to explain what we're doing. Y is being multiplied by 19, opposite times by 19 is?
Divided by 9.
So 57 divided by 19 is 3. Now that we got the value of y, we eliminated x, worked out the value of y, we can put the y back into the equation and work out the value of x. So let's have a look. Let's use the original equation here, 4x plus 7y is equal to 1. And what have we just worked out the value of? We work the value of y, which goes into here. Do not substitute it for x by mistake. So we have 4x plus 7 times by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, we happy with that so far? Right. 7 times by 3 is 21. Now, we need to work out the value of x, we need to solve it. So x has been first of all been times by 4. And then it's been added by 21. So that's the second action, that's the first action. Opposite of add 21 is? Minus 21. So 1 take away 21 is? Minus 20. Okay, now opposite of time by 4 is?
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4.
5.
So we say x is equal to?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Minus 20 divided by 4 is minus 5. Okay, folks, are you happy with that question?
Yeah.
Yes, let's give me the next question, please.
So you're going to have a short throw after this?
Nah, inshallah, should be okay. Inshallah, bismillah. It's my best session of the week, man. It's lesson. These lessons. Okay. It's the righteous numbers, Lord is making us big. A bit more bigger. Okay, bring it across. Okay, take it up. Lovely, stop there. We've got to put this in order of size. Right, what does 5 to the power of minus 1 mean?
1/5.
0.5.
1/5 means the reciprocal. The minus means the reciprocal turned upside down. 0.5 is 0.5, that as it is. Minus 5 is minus 5. Anything to the power of 0 is always
1.
unos. Time.
Unos, dos.
Unos, dos. Now we've got to put these in order. So I'm going to put these ones in order first and then we'll replace them with the original values. So the first smallest one is,
-5.
and then the next one after minus 5 is,
0.5.
okay, well 1/5 is 0.2, isn't it?
Allah. 0.2.
1 divided by 5 is 0.2, so that should be next, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? So minus 5, then,
0.2.
and then 0. Well actually,
A
1/5.
fifth.
And then
0.5.
then 0.5, and then,
1.
and then 1. Now, this is my rough answer. We have to replace this with the original values. So, Ramiz, minus 5, was it originally minus 5?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
What was 1/5 originally?
5 minus 1. 5
Five.
to the power of minus 1.
Lovely, that was originally that. 0.5, was that originally?
0.5.
Lovely, and 1 was
5 to
originally?
the power of 0.
Okay, thank you. How did you do that there? Thank you, Ramiz, you saved the day. Okay, are we happy with that question, folks? Right, okay, Smear, give me the next question. Okay, we got that. Ooh, I love this question. This question is nice.
Oh god.
What do you mean? Didn't you enjoy it? Right.
Oh, no.
I don't think my students enjoyed this next question. Okay, let's have a look. It says A, B, C, D is a square. Okay, straight away if it's a square we can start doing some certain things. If this is 4x, then this will also be 4x. Then it says here M is the midpoint of DC. If that's the middle of this line, that means this top part is
2.
and the bottom part is
2.
x. If that part is x and altogether is 4x, what's this part?
3x.
3x. Okay. Let's find an expression in terms of x for the area of the triangle BMN. The easiest way to work it out is to work out the area of the big square and minus the area of the three triangles. Yeah? So that's the concept, that's the idea we're going to use. So Mr. Hamza, we're going to work out the area of the square and we're going to minus this first triangle here. Triangle A, and then we're going to minus the area of triangle B, and then we're going to minus the area of triangle C. And that will give us the shaded area. So the big shape minus the 3 bits will give us what's left over. So that's the concept. Now, how do we work out the area of this big square Ifra? So we have 4x and 4x length and width. So how do you work out the area of a square anyway? So this area of the shape here now, what are we going to do? Times them together. Length times by width. So we have 4x times by 4x, which is length times by width of this big square. 4x times by 4x will give us an answer of 16x squared. Now, these next 3 triangles, we need to make sure we use the area of a triangle formula. What's the area of a triangle formula?
Base times sine by 2.
That is the area of a triangle. Okay, are we happy with that? Right, now, I don't think we're going to have too much space here because what we're going to do, work out the area of A, B and C and then just put the answers over here, okay? Let's work out the area of A over here. Area of triangle A. Where's the triangle A? This one here. So what's the base? Okay, we'll talk about the base is 3x and the height is 4x. So it's going to be 3x times by
4x
divided by
2.
2. 3x times by 4x is 12x
squared
divided by 2.
6x
So the area of A is equal to 6x squared. So I'm going to do the stuff there and then I'm going to copy it here. Now let's work out the area of triangle B, which is that one here. So let's change color over here now. So area of this triangle here. So the base here is, what's the base?
1.
The base is,
Oh, 4.
the base is, okay folks, have I lost you? What is, can you?
1.
Okay, no, let's try that again, okay. Can you read what he says over there?
X.
X, thank you. Right. So the base is X. Okay, yeah, we know X coefficient is 1, but that's not the same as X.
Okay.
Alright. And the height is 2X.
2x, yes.
So the base times by the height, and then we divide it by 2.
2.
So X times by 2X will give us 2X squared divided by 2 is,
X squared.
so we put that over here. Here comes the next part. Area of C. Where's C? C is over here. Tired? Here's your base, which is 4x, and here's your height, which is 2x. So let's work out the area of that. I'm going to work it out yeah. Right. The base is 4x times by the height 2x.
2x.
So we have 4x times by 2x, and then we divide it by 2. Base times by height divided by 2, which will give us 8x squared divided by 2, which gives us
4x squared.
4x squared. Right. Hopefully this shouldn't be too difficult now, the last part. 16x squared take away 6x squared will give us 10x squared. 10x squared take away x squared will give us 9x squared. Take away 4x squared will give us. So the area of B and M and they've actually written as BMN. So let's just use the way that they've written it. Is equal to what's the answer again?
5x squared.
5x squared. Folks, there's another way of doing it as well, but that involves square roots and stuff. I'm trying to show you the easier way. Okay? Right, let's give us the next question, please.
Cumulative. So you rather find out the homework now?
No, I'd rather finish off the work.
So you got 6 minutes.
Okay, I'm sure you parents don't mind waiting for a bit.
No, and the thing you got 6 minutes.
Okay. Remember whatever you say is being recorded, it'll be eternally on there until the pages so be careful what you say. Okay, the table below shows information about the height of 60 students. On the grid opposite, draw a cumulative frequency graph for the information in the table which most people. Yeah, cumulative frequency. Cumulative means like a running total. So you need to increase, first of all, your table with 1 extra column. So feel free in the examination to put the extra column in. So what we need to do now, we need to work out the running totals. So the first total so far is 4. What do we add next?
5.
The 5, and that gives us a total of?
9.
And then we add, what do we add next?
16.
And that gives us a total of?
25.
You guys are really good at mental math, mashallah. Excellent. Oof.
Amazing
stuff.
52.
25 out of 27 is?
52.
52.
57.
52, I'm answering the means you're running too fast now. 52, add the 5 will give us?
57.
57, add the 3 will give us?
16.
Alhamdulillah. Excellent, folks. Well done. Now, when you plot the cumulative frequency, the graph on the next page, when we go to the next page now, not yet, which values do we use? So cumulative frequency will be your
1.
y-axis, and what will be plotted on the x-axis?
The number of students, not the height.
Which is the one?
Which value? This first value, the second value, or the middle value?
Second.
Okay, whenever we plot cumulative frequency, we always use the
Second.
boundary points, the end. Okay, the second one. So these are my x coordinates. Okay, and that's my y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate, and x and y. Okay, folks, are we happy with this particular table here? Yes, all done. I'm going to have to rub this stuff off and then borrow one of your papers because I can't see it in. Right, so give us the next page. We have to draw it now. Okay, folks. Right. Make it. Okay, that's it. That's lovely. That's lovely. 4 minutes left for the video. Okay, lovely. Okay. Right, can I borrow your table, please?
And then the wheel. There you go.
You only do this curve. Okay, so we're going to first of all plot, is it 140 or 150?
150.
150, and what's the height for 150?
4.
4. Okay, folks, bear with me for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the next one is 160. What's the height for 160?
9.
9.
Okay, and that's over there.
Yeah.
And the next one we're going to do 170, which is?
25.
25.
Okay, and the next one is 180, which is?
52.
52. Then 57.
And the last one is
57.
200, which is 60. Sorry, 200, which is?
60.
No, you got 90 left.
Okay, sorry, pardon me, 190 is 57, yeah?
Yeah.
190 is
57.
50. And the last one, which is 200, which is?
60.
Okay. Quickly plot your points on there, Mr. Ramiz. Okay, right, how's that okay? Now, please, why you do not use a ruler for the next activity? I want a nice, smooth curve. So let's try to do a nice, smooth curve. Should get something like that. Okay. If I haven't finished that for 2 minutes. Okay, good. Let's just quickly finish up this question. Okay, folks, I can't move the graph now. I need to see the next part of the question.
The medium.
Okay, the
lower.
question says find an estimate for the
Medium.
median. The median is the
30.
middle value, the 30th. So how many values did we have?
60.
60 values. So we're looking for the 30th value, and the 30th value is where?
There.
So we're gonna go across and come
Down.
down.
173.
Okay, so we go across. Okay, and then we come down, and mine is going to be roughly.
172.
Okay, mine is roughly 172. Roughly, yeah, 172.
Yep.
So my median is here, 172. centimeters. Okay, what's the next question, Ramiz, on that question?
Interquartile range.
Interquartile range. Interquartile range, Umar, is to do with what? This is the middle value. This is the halfway. So the interquartile value is to do with the quarter value and the 3/4 value.
Yeah.
So if this is the halfway, if I want to look at the quarter of a way, what's the quarter of a way?
15.
15th value. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is going to be, we're going to start the calculation here. That's going to be, and what's 30 add another 15?
45.
Okay, 45, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay. So the lower quartile calculation starts from here, Ifra, and we go across, hit the graph and come down. So let's change colour so we don't clash with the colour. Are you okay with that? We do. So